Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two LEVOIT air purifiers. So the one on the left, the circle one, this is the LEVOIT Core 100 400S. The Core 400S. The one on the right, kind of a rectangle, this is the Vital 200S. Now, the Vital does 1,800 square feet. The Core does 1,900 square feet. These are meant for larger, for whole home. That's roughly about the same size. But it's going to come down to two main differences. So the LEVOIT Core is going to show you the particles, how many you've got. This one doesn't show you the particles. It just has the color corresponding with how good your air quality is. Now the Core also has the light that corresponds with the air quality, but it also has a display that shows you the particles, where this one does not have a display, but the light does change colors. It has 4 fan speeds. This one also has 4 fan speeds and auto. I really like auto on both of these because they're going to sense your air quality, and as your air quality gets bad, it's going to increase the fan speed to clean the air, and then as the air gets clean, it's going to ramp it back down. Now the next major difference is there's a pre-filter on this one. I actually like this one a little bit better. I like being able to tuck this kind of up against the wall, sort of. And here's this pre-filter. You are about every month, you're gonna have to take this pre-filter off and clean it. Now the HEPA filter needs changed about once a year. And that's where the difference is gonna be. But let me show you let me show you the entire, this is the big HEPA filter activated. It seems like there might be a little bit more activated carbon in this HEPA filter. Over here on the Core, here's the filter itself. You have to take it out, the entire filter. The pre-filter is a screen that's attached to this filter. So you will have to vacuum that pre-filter once in a while. But again, about the same time, about every 12 months, you've got to dispose of this and get a new entire filter. There is some activated carbon on the inside. Here's what the inside of this looks like. And here's what the inside of this one looks like. It looks like the fan's kind of mounted this way, where this one's mounted up, down. But the air still comes out the top on both of them. This one, it's being sucked in on just one side, where over here it's being sucked in on all sides. So this one has to be away from the wall about 2 or 3 inches, where this one can kind of go up against the wall because it's still going to be able to draw air in. Now around back, this is where it's going to sense the air quality. And I like on the Vital, there's this little door, and it tells you this is where you're going to clean. So once in a while, you got to kind of blow that area out. I don't know necessarily where we're cleaning on this one. Now they both have timer, screen lock. You can turn the display off. They both have a night mode. You can see a timer, filter reset, night mode, fan speed, auto. Turn the display off and lock the display. Now as far as quietness levels, I think low, they both sound about the same. And as far as when they're on max, I think they're moving about the same amount of air. Now you don't have to connect them to the VSync app, but if you do, this is the Vital. It just shows you air quality good or bad. And you can adjust, you can do a sleep, a timer, filter life, all kinds of settings on here. But if we go to the Core, it tells us our particulate matter. And then it gives you a graph. Now the graph's only a week long for the week. I don't have enough information yet, but you can at least see the graph. And it's only the particulate, it's not temperature and humidity, it's only the particulate matter. And I can do the same thing. I can put it on a schedule, different auto modes I can come up with, and sleep, and I can adjust the fan from here. And they both stand about the same, about 20.5 inches. This one might be a little bit taller. Again, this one's wider, 15.5, where this is a circle, 11, but you are gonna have to keep this away from the wall a little bit, where this one can go right up against the wall. But where the air is blown will be next to the wall, but it sucks all the air in right here on the front and kind of the sides here a little bit too. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.